Well guys, this build didn't go as planned. My welder just blew up. I was right in the middle of making this custom exhaust for the Harrods and this happened, so now I'm stuck.
Alright, let's check the circuit breaker.
Before this all went downhill, I'd already started cutting, tacking and fitting everything together. Plan was a full 3-inch exhaust, custom bends with pie cuts and a unique muffler setup that I don't think anyone had seen before. But clearly the welder had other plans. Everything was going great. I was cutting the pie cuts out of the 3-inch pipe, cleaned them all up, and I was tacking them together till the welder just stopped working. At first I thought maybe overheated.
Right, we're back on. It was me. The garage has its own fuse box. So the safety switch for all of it. Got one last tack.
I literally was going to do one last tack for the night to get the right bend, and on that very last tack it blew up. No power, no response. Actually the gas still flows, you can hear it, but it doesn't arc anymore.
Wow.
Check the cables, reset the breaker, even tried different outlets. Still nothing. So now I'm left with two options, guys. Try to fix it or upgrade to something better. Honestly, I think I've outgrown this welder and I need something that's ACDC so I can start doing aluminium. So I can start doing more tanks and intercooler piping and stuff like that. Have any of you guys had a welder fail on you? If so, comment down below what welder it was and what happened, because I'm pretty keen to get a new one. Also guys, do you have any recommendations on welders that are budget friendly? I'm looking probably around 1200 Aussie dollars. So ACDC as well, so we can do aluminium. This build is still happening guys, just a bit of delay. So we just got to get this welder sorted out and we'll get right back on schedule. I had some good plans for it, so definitely going to be coming back to it once we get this fixed or get a new welder. So if you want to stay up to date with what's going on with the whole welder and exhaust situation, hit the subscribe button and be sure to put the notification bell on so you can see when I upload the finished product of the exhaust.